Electricity prices are some of the highest.
Deliberate shutdown of gas from Russia to Europe.
There's still shortages around the world.
No access to electric power, amounts too costly. We've got their problems. Start with AGC and let your solar lights pay for rising energy cost. Solar light includes several parts: solar PV panels, LED sources, solar controllers, housing, and battery. In the daytime, the solar panel absorbs energy from the sunlight and converts it into electricity, which flows and will finally be stored in the battery through the controller. At dusk, the small photocell on the solar panels turns the lights on, and the light keeps on until the sensor detects opulent daylight to turn them off. Then, when the sun comes up, the batteries are recharged. The world needs cleaner energy. We can change that together. So why not use solar light and think ahead for a better future? It is wireless and portable, making it easy to install in remote regions. No carbon emission, no running cost, no electric bills, long lifetime and environment friendly. If you are excited about turning to solar energy, now it's time to call AGC today. We will answer all your questions.